Velocity. It is the distance traveled by the body in per unit time in a given direction. Just recall the definition of speed. Speed was distance traveled in a per unit time. Means a body is covering certain distance in certain time period, that is called as speed. Now here what we are calling that distance traveled by the body in per unit time in a given direction, means the body is covering certain distance in certain time period, in certain time interval, but the main thing is what, in a given direction, in a particular direction. Okay, so this is also, you can say, a modified form of speed, that when the speed is covered, when the speed is done in a particular direction, that time it is called as velocity. Okay, by the definition formula becomes velocity equals to distance traveled by the body in a given direction upon time taken is called as velocity. So distance traveled upon time taken was speed. So you can say velocity is what? It is the speed in a given direction. It is the distance traveled in a particular time period in a given direction. As distance traveled in a given direction is also called as displacement. So the formula becomes velocity equals to displacement upon time. Okay, as we all know that displacement is direction oriented, and already I have told you that velocity is one of the example of physical quantities, means velocity is also a physical quantity. Now question arises, why? Because all those physical quantities which have either only magnitude are called as scalar, and all those physical quantities which have magnitude as well as direction are called as vector quantities. So velocity is one of the example of vector quantity, because it is working with the magnitude, means amount of certain distance covered, as well as in a particular direction, means velocity is a vector quantity because it is having magnitude as well as direction. Okay, so when we talk about the symbolic form of the velocity or the formula, so as we know that velocity is represented by a small v, distance traveled in a given direction or displacement is covered in s form, time taken is measured or covered in t. So symbolic form becomes velocity small v, displacement s, and time taken is t. So formula becomes v equals to s by t. What is its SI unit? Means international system of unit. As we all know that distance or displacement is measured in meters and time is measured in seconds. So by the formula, velocity equals to distance or displacement upon time taken. Displacement we are measuring in meters, time is measured in seconds. So it becomes meter upon second or meter per second or meter second inverse. Means all the time we will measure velocity in meter per second whenever we are talking about the SI unit of velocity.